Want your bell? Want to ring your bell? Yay! Dookie! You want a nut? You want a nut? Such a good boy. Hey, good stuff. You're such a good bird. Who loves you, Dookie Doo? Yay, Dookie. That's my Duke stuff. Love that Dookie. I love Dookie. I love my Dookie Doo. Yay, Dookie. You're such a good bird. You are so good. Look at you. Look at that beautiful Dookie. You want another nut? That's all. Such a good baby. You're such a good baby. Love my Dookie. Oh no, don't start that. I'm going to pet you. Whoa, that was not a good idea, says Dookie. Come here. Come here, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Poor Dookie. Poor little Duke. All right, my little man. It's okay, Dookie. You've got some gumption on you, don't you? Dookie's got some gumption. Yay, Dookie. There you go. Now, you dropped your nut. You want another one? Of course you do. Yay, Dookie.